The Librem 5 is designed with longevity with software updates for life, but part of longevity is being able to repair the device outside of warranty. We plan to stock replacement parts in our shop in case you need to replace the modem, camera, or even the main PCB. You'll need a screwdriver, the included SIM card tool, and something like a pick or spudger. Any damage from disassembly is not covered by warranty. If your Librem 5 is under warranty, contact support before attempting this process. To begin the teardown, power down PureOS and pull off the back cover. Use the pull tab to remove the battery. Remove the 3 screws holding down the modem cover. These are shorter than the rest of the screws, so keep them separate. If you have a smart card installed, remove it now. With the included SIM tool, remove the SIM card tray. Next, disconnect the antennas and remove the modems. The back frame is held on by 8 screws and friction clips around the outside. Remove the screws and slide a fingernail or guitar pick along the sides to remove it. To remove the center frame, carefully pull up the antenna cables from the plastic frame. Pulling too hard will disconnect them from the main PCB. Next, remove these 2 screws. Unplug the camera and remove the screw hidden by the FPC. The center frame can now be pried out. Note there are 2 friction clips at the top left and right of the frame. With that out of the way, unscrew the PCB screws. The top 3 connect to antennas, so don't forget to put them back on reassembly. Make sure to lift off the microphone cover, otherwise it'll fall off and you'll likely lose it. Gently pull the hardware kill switch alignment up and out, then pull the switches out. Unplug the power FPC and we can start to remove the main PCB. Be careful of the spring clip against the frame. This is part of the GNSS antenna, so if you break this off you won't have GPS. Lift the PCB out until you can see the display and USB-C FPC cables. There's a cover over the proximity sensor that is easy to lose. Put it in a safe place. If you reassemble without this cover, the proximity sensor triggers automatically and it will need to be disabled. After unplugging the last 2 FPC cables, we can altogether remove the Librem 5 PCB. Putting the Librem 5 back together is just a matter of doing these steps in reverse. If the thermal paste looks good, reattach the PCB to the FPC cables and add back the proximity sensor cover. Reattach the power FPC. Reattach the hardware kill switches, then the switch alignment. Screw down the PCB, making sure the top 3 screws are populated. Put back in place the microphone cover. Reattach the center frame, making sure to route the antennas carefully. Screw down the center frame under the camera and in 2 other places. Reattach the back frame and screw it down with its 8 screws. Reinstall the modems and reattach the antennas. If you have a smart card, now is the time to install it. Screw down the modem cover with the 3 short screws and reinstall the SIM and microSD cards. Lastly, reinstall the battery and snap on the back cover. Order your Librem 5 at puri.sm.